Hi everyone, we are back in New York City staying at the Residence Inn, New York, Manhattan Central Park. Yes, you know that's one of our favorite hotels. In today's room tour, we're going to show you a room with an amazing view. Hi everyone, I'm Laurie.
I'm Hannah.
And we're Journey with the Gingers, and we are here in one of our favorite cities, actually her probably favorite city. And where are we, Hannah?
We're in New York City.
We are in New York City, and we like to come here a lot. We are huge Broadway fans, and we're just fans of the city. And today we're going to share with you one of our favorite hotels, and we've actually shared this hotel with you all on our channel before, but the design of this room is different.
So we've been to New York several times, and this hotel is our favorite. It is the Residence Inn New York, Manhattan near Central Park hotel, and we've actually stayed here 3 times. The first time we came here, we didn't even have our YouTube channel, but that was the trip that inspired us to start our YouTube channel. We shared with you the room tour from our last trip back in June, and this room is different, so we thought we should just show you around and show you the configuration.
So let's take a look at room 4205. When you first walk into the room, you come into this kitchen area. Let me show the kitchen area to you. In this kitchenette, they do have some things for you to start your morning, but also to do some cooking. We're going to start off with a coffee maker. They have your coffee and some tea and just some little things you may need for your morning. The kitchenette has a sink, small sink, and a countertop. Above the counter you have some dishes, wine glasses, coffee cups, glasses, plates, and some silverware. And also above the counter you have a microwave. The kitchen even has a small dishwasher. And if you're really here for a while, you can have a crock pot, a toaster, and a kettle. Under the sink, there are some kitchen towels, some detergent for the dishwasher, and there's also a little trash can. And yes, they even have some large pots and small pots, and a colander, and some Pyrex dishes. And if you want to have something to cook that on, you ask for a hot plate from the front desk. And you also have a refrigerator and a freezer. And now let's walk into the bedroom area. In the bedroom there is a closet with some hangers and a large safe, and that safe looks like it's large enough to hold a standard laptop computer. And you have an ironing board, and you also have an iron. And Hannah's favorite part is the light comes on when you open the door. In the bedroom you have a very large television, and you have a desk area. There are some drawers. And over in the corner you have this very nice, comfortable, large chair, a little stool that also has some storage inside of it, and a table. This room has a king-size bed. And on each side of the bed there's an outlet, but there are no USBs in the outlets. And one of the greatest things about this room that we did not have in our last room is all of these windows. And the windows are floor to ceiling. All these beautiful views of New York City. We'll also insert a day view as well in this video for you. And now let's take a look at the bathroom. In the bathroom, you of course have a toilet, but you also have some storage because there's 2 drawers right there, which is nice. And under the sink, there's a little bit of storage along with the hair dryer and some towels and such. bathroom has a nice deep sink. And there's a large shower with all glass enclosure. And in the shower is a removable shower head or shower wand. And then they come with some conditioner, shampoo, and some body wash. So one of the things that we really like about the televisions here is that you can stream from your streaming platforms. You can connect your phone and you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, Pluto TV, YouTube. You can listen to Pandora. So, and then when you go to leave, you just clear your credentials. So it's really neat. We enjoy watching Netflix and such on the televisions.
We hope that you enjoyed this room tour. Again, we highly recommend this hotel. So we come to New York City about once or twice a year, so we have lots of tips and tricks that we share with you all. So don't forget to hit subscribe because we love sharing our helpful tips with you.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button and join our community.